So, there's just so many wrinkles and so many pieces to this puzzle. Like, my brain is just fried. Like, I literally spent the last 2 days of the vacation, on the phone.
Oh.
And, just, I feel horrible because it's a blizzard in New England, and I'm missing it, and our team is stretched thin. And I know it's a nightmare on their end. I'm not looking for sympathy at all. But for the traveler in this that, gets a notice that your flight is canceled, and, you're trying to troubleshoot that by using their apps and their websites and signing up for their programs, and then the passwords don't work and your username is wrong. And it's an endless line of chaos. Look, AI is taking over every job in the world right now. How can it not this for me or for the world and us and all these travelers? Like, this doesn't make sense to me. So it's very frustrating as a traveler, to say the least.